Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. How to clear cookies and site data in Mozilla Firefox browser. Cookies contain information such as site preferences or login status and stored on our computer by the websites we visit. To clear the cookies for the current website, click the padlock at the left of the address bar and click on Clear Cookies and Site Data. Then it will open Removing Cookies and Site Data window. In this, please select Cookies and Site Data for the following websites will be removed. After that, click on Remove. Similarly, to delete cookies for any single website, click the menu button and select Options. Come to Privacy and Security and look for Cookies and Site Data section. Click on Manage Data. Then Manage Cookies and Site Data dialog box will appear. In the Search Websites field, type the name of the site whose cookies you want to remove. Items that match our search will be displayed. To remove all cookies and storage data for the website, click on Remove All Shown option, or to remove selected items, select an entry and by holding Control button on your keyboard, select multiple items and click on Remove Selected, and finally click on Save Changes. Then we will get a confirmation dialog box. Here please click on Remove, and after that close the About Preferences page. Alternatively, to remove the cookies, click on Menu button, select Options, again come to Privacy and Security and look for Cookies and Site Data section. Click the option Clear Data, then Clear Data dialog box will appear. Select Cookies and Site Data checkbox and click on Clear. Similarly, again click on Menu, come to Library. In this, please click on History, and from the given options, please select Clear Recent History. Set time range to clear to everything and put a check mark next to cookies, and make sure that other items you want to keep are not selected. And finally, click on Clear Now to clear all cookies and close the Clear All History window. Like this, we can clear cookies and site data in Mozilla Firefox browser. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.